Oh, this is a story about a guy named Al, and he lived in a city with his hamster died. His sanitation workers really didn't stop for him. Back to the accordion and hamster, he went to a city in Maine where he lived in a tree. He worked in a nasal decongestant factory, and he played on the company board. And every single night he had a strange recurring dream. He leader hosted in a vat of sour cream, but that's really not important to the story. Very next year he met a dental hygienist with a special attitude of a arm, but he didn't even talk any longer. Remember, then he got himself a job on a tater tot farm, and he spent his life saving metal slips like being 20 bucks below the surface of the earth. And he really makes a mighty fine jelly bean and pickle sandwich for what it's worth. One day Al was in the forest trying to get a tan when he heard the torture screaming of a funny little man. He was caught in a bear trap and he was set free, and the guy that he rescued was grateful as to be. And it turns out he's a big shot with a truck on TV, so he gives Al a contract, and what do you know? Now he's got his very own Weird Al Show.
I could hardly believe it when I